Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. This video will be walking us through how to buy Solana tokens. So I'm sure we've seen a whole lot of Solana tokens go parabolic recently, like Popcat, Bonk, right? And whenever these tokens are being shielded to you, you don't know how to go about buying them. Now, this video is here to help you. And the first thing you need to do is to have your SolFlare wallet. Okay, so once you have a SolFlare wallet downloaded from your Play Store app, so we have a video on this already on the channel, please go through it to know the step-by-step process. Then you open up your SolFlare wallet, right, and then you fund your SolFlare wallet with Solana. So for this transaction, we'll be using the Solana tokens. So you're moving Solana from probably Binance or KuCoin, and then you're sending it to your SolFlare wallet. And to do this, all you need to do is to tap on receive. Then you copy this address, paste it on Binance, ensure you use the right network, and then move your funds, right? So once this is done, then we go ahead to tap in the in-app browser. You impute the URL link of the DApp we'll be using, and that will be Raydium.io. Ensure that this URL link is correct. It's really imperative that you use the correct URL link. Then you launch app. You tap on launch app, and then you would be looking at the swap section. So now you need to connect your wallet. Okay, so it's already connecting the wallet automatically. Then you tap on connect. Okay, so the SolFlare wallet is now connected. As you can see, we have the balance of 1 Sol in the wallet. So what we need to do now is to, where we have from Sol, means that you want to transact or exchange your Sol for another token. That's why we have from Sol to Ray. But when we have Ray, we'll then be substituting it with another token, that is a token that you want to buy. So for tutorial purposes only, we'll be using Analos for this demonstration. So this is Dex tools, and we would have the contract address of Analos copied from here. So just tap on copy here, and then we paste the contract address. Okay, and then we tap on it to import it. So now we're swapping our Sol for Analos, and let's say I want to use 0.12 Sol for this transaction. Okay, so let's go ahead to swap. All right, so let's go ahead to swap. Okay, and then we go ahead to swipe, confirm, and it says swap confirmed. So we've swapped our 0.012 Sol for 2,349 Analos. So now we can head back to our wallet. And once you head back to your wallet, this transaction should be in your wallet. Just refresh, it automatically comes on the SolFlare wallet. So you can see now that our Analos is now in our wallet with the tokens that we've purchased and the value of the tokens, USD, equivalent USD dollar value. So this is the process on how you can buy Solana tokens using your SolFare wallet on the Raydium DApp. Alright guys, so I hope you now understand the process in which you can buy your Solana tokens. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that someone will address you. And ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notification bells for more educative videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.